Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hello, we are so happy you are here today.
My name is Ethan.
And I'm Emma.
Today we will learn useful English for a birthday party.
Birthday parties are fun, and they are a great place to practice everyday English.
You will learn simple English that you can use at any birthday party.
The sentences are easy, natural, and perfect for beginners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Let's get started.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Ethan.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
How are you today?
I'm very happy.
This is a wonderful party.
Thank you. I'm glad you came.
I brought a small gift for you.
That's very kind of you.
Here you are.
Thank you. I love gifts.
Would you like to open it now?
Yes, I'd love to.
I hope you like it.
Wow, it's a beautiful notebook.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please have some cake.
It looks delicious.
Would you like some juice too?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The decorations are beautiful.
My family helped me.
They did a great job.
Thank you.
Who made the birthday cake?
My sister made it.
It tastes wonderful.
I'm happy you like it.
Shall we sing the birthday song?
Yes, let's do it.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone.
Make a wish.
I did.
Now blow out the candles.
Done.
Congratulations.
Thank you for celebrating with me.
I had a great time.
Me too.
Have a wonderful year ahead.
Thank you. Have a safe trip home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice useful birthday party English.
Great.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for inviting me.
This is for you.
This is for you.
I brought you a gift.
I brought you a gift.
I hope you like it.
I hope you like it.
Would you like some cake?
Would you like some cake?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
The cake is delicious.
The cake is delicious.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Thank you for the party.
Thank you for the party.
See you again soon.
See you again soon.
Now let's learn some useful words.
Ready.
Birthday.
The day you celebrate the year you were born.
Party.
A fun gathering with family or friends.
Gift.
Something you give to another person.
Cake.
A sweet dessert for celebrations.
Candle.
A small light placed on a birthday cake.
Balloon.
A colorful decoration filled with air.
Invitation.
A message asking someone to come.
Decoration.
Things that make a place look beautiful.
Celebrate.
To enjoy a special day or event.
Wish.
Something you hope for.
Today, let's learn would you like to.
We use it to offer something politely.
Would you like some cake?
Would you like some juice?
Would you like to sit here?
This question is very useful at parties.
Now, let's learn let's.
We use it to suggest doing something together.
Let's sing.
Let's eat.
Let's take a picture.
Simple and friendly.
Let's practice together.
Repeat slowly.
Birthday.
Birthday.
Invitation.
Invitation.
Celebrate.
Celebrate.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Excellent.
Keep practicing every day.
Hi, Emma. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
I brought you a gift.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Would you like to open it?
Yes, please.
I hope you like it.
I love it.
Would you like some cake?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful birthday.
Thank you very much.
Emma, how do you wish someone a happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Excellent.
Ethan, how do you offer someone cake?
Would you like some cake?
Great. How do you thank someone for inviting you?
Thank you for inviting me.
Perfect. Everyone listening, how would you ask to take a picture?
Say it out loud now. When is your birthday?
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite birthday food?
We'd love to read your answer.
If today's lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe for more Easy English podcasts every week.
Today we learned useful English for a birthday party.
We practice greeting people, giving gifts, offering food, and celebrating together.
These are simple sentences you can use at your next birthday party.
Listen again and repeat the conversation with us.
Practice a little every day and your English will improve.
Every sentence you learn brings you closer to speaking with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you had fun and learned something new.
See you in our next Easy English podcast.
Goodbye, everyone.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English.